Do you think you need thousands to start invest? I started with just $50, and that decision changed my entire mindset about money. Today's video is going to be one of those I wish someone told me earlier kind of conversation. We are talking about investing with as little as $50. Yes, you can start where you are and with what you have. Let me take you back to a few years ago. I had just learned about investing and everything online seems as if I need to have a finance degree and a fat bank account. I was making just enough to cover bills and buy a little enjoyment. But one day, I came across a podcast that said, your money can either work for you or you stay lazy. So I challenged myself, what if I started with just $50? I researched, opened a micro investment account, and I bought my first fraction share of a company I actually liked. That tiny start made me feel powerful. I wasn't just spending anymore, I was building. Most people wait until they earn more before they invest. But that is like saying you will go to the gym only when you have fit. The habit matters more than the amount. When you start with $50, you are building discipline, not just wealth. Here are real places you can start with just $50. One is fractional shares. Platforms like Robinhood, Bamboo, True, or RiseVest help you invest in US stocks with as little as $5. You can buy a piece of companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. The second is ETFs, that is the exchange traded funds. These are like basket of stocks. They are less risky than individual stocks and a great way to diversify instantly. The third one is crypto. Apps like Coinbase or Binance let you buy fractions of cryptocurrencies. It's high risk, so only use what you can afford to lose. The fourth one is saving and investment app. Some apps allow you to invest your spare change or allow you to schedule small amounts every week, like Carrywise and Piggyvest. The last is knowledge. Yep. Investing in a $10 course or book that teaches you about money, that's an investment too, and often the best one to start with. If you are getting value from this so far, go ahead to hit the subscribe button. I drop practical human-centered content on money, career, and life because we are all figuring it out together. And trust me, you don't want to miss what is coming next. Here is how I made investing consistent. Firstly, set an investment date. Every Friday, I send a small amount into my investment app. It doesn't matter how small, what matters is the habit. Secondly, automate it if you can. Automate $5 or $10 to go into your investment each week. That's less than 2 coffees. The third one is to track your progress. Don't be obsessed over gain or losses daily. Instead, check in monthly to see how your money is working for you. So here are the common mistakes to avoid when you are starting small. One is trying to get rich quick. Investing is not a lottery ticket, it's a slow, steady climb. Second one is investing without learning. Don't just follow hype. Understand what you are putting your money into. The third is giving up too soon. If your $50 becomes $48 next week, it's okay. Market more. The goal is the long term. Why this matters even if you are broke? When I was broke, investing felt like a luxury. But looking back now, it was the first sign that I was starting to believe in my future. Putting money aside, even if it is small, made me walk a little taller. It taught me patience, planning, and peace of mind. So if all you have right now is $50, that's enough. Not to make you rich overnight, but to start building the habits that will. It's not about how much you start with, it's about whether you start at all. And remember, I am not here because I have it all figured out. I'm here because I am on the journey too. We are growing together. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and share with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe and join our community of people who are learning to build better lives.